When things don't happen right away, just remember, it takes 6 months to build a Rolls-Royce and 13 hours to build a Toyota. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. I will not say I failed 1,000 times, I will say that I discovered there are 1,000 ways that can cause failure. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. APJ Abdul Kalam. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say, "Why me?" Just say, "Try me." Be thankful for what you have, you'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough. Oprah Winfrey. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. The difference between the impossible and possible lies in a man's determination. Tommy Lasorda. The expert in anything was once a beginner. It is okay to make mistakes, as long as you go learn from them. I have failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed. Michael Jordan. What we learn with pleasure we never forget. Louis Mercier. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Be not afraid of growing slowly, be afraid only of standing still. Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. You are capable of more than you know. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. Henry Ford. You have got to get up every morning with determination if you are going to go to bed with satisfaction. Leaders never use the word failure. They look upon setbacks as learning experiences. Brian Tracy. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can. John Wooden. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Zig Ziglar. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Steve Jobs. Growth means change, and change involves risks, stepping from known to unknown. Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. John Maxwell. Strive for progress, not perfection. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. Beverly Sills. Knowledge is having the right answer. Intelligence is asking the right question. Making mistakes is better than faking perfection. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Also, check out this video of Sean Stevenson, the world-famous therapist, motivational speaker and one of the best-selling author who is just 3 feet tall, suffering from a brittle bone disease. Doctors expected him to die the night he was born. He proved them wrong. So if he can do it, why can't you?